Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise of chapter 9, rational numbers. So in this exercise student, we study about the addition of two rational number, subtraction of two rational number, multiplication of two rational number and division of two rational number. So student, this exercise is very easy. So I am going to take question number first. So firstly I am writing the question number first. Student, question first, find the sum. Question first is saying find the sum. And student, there are many parts are given in this question, but here I am taking only 2 or 3 part. So I am taking the first part, student. First part of this question is 5/4 plus in bracket minus 11/4 bracket close. And next part I am taking, student, that is 6th part of this question, minus 2/3 plus 0, and I am taking the last part, student, 7th part, minus 2 whole 1/3 plus 4 whole 3/5. This is my question, student, and remaining part is that homework for you, means part second, part third, fourth and fifth. Second, third, fourth and fifth is homework for you. According to these 3 parts, you will solve part second, third, fourth and fifth in your fair copy, student. Sorry, student. So I am going to solve the part first of question number first. So student, we have question is given 5/4 plus minus 11/4. So student, 5/4 plus in bracket minus 11/4, bracket is created here because two sign we can't write together without bracket. So for showing the other sign, we use the bracket, student. So here, student, you are seeing here that two rational numbers are given and we need to add it. So of these two rational numbers, denominators, you are seeing that same. Denominators are same. And in fraction chapter, I have told you, if the denominators are same of two fractions, then we add or subtract only numerator. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है और हमें ऐड करना है तो हम न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर को ऐड करते हैं. इट्स ओके, स्टूडेंट. सो हियर 5 प्लस minus 11/4. You are seeing here that because denominators are same, so we write one denominator and we add numerator and numerator. So student, you are seeing that I have told you in integer chapter, if one is negative and other is positive, then we can't add, we only subtract. सिर्फ हम माइनस करते हैं. अगर एक पॉजिटिव है एक निगेटिव है और हमको ऐड करना है तो ऐड नहीं होगा. इफ वन numbers is negative and other is positive and we need to add it, then we can't add, only we subtract. So student, 11 minus 5, that is 6, and we use the sign of the greater number. बड़े नंबर का हम साइन हमेशा यूज करते हैं. अभी तो आपने माइनस किया, बट 11 इज ग्रेटर देन 5. डोंट कंपेयर विथ साइन. साइन के साथ कंपेयर मत, आपको नहीं करना है. वी नॉट नीड टू कंपेयर विथ साइन दैट minus 11 is greater or 5. No, only firstly leave the sign and compare the only numbers. So 11 is greater than 5 and sign of 11 is minus, so we use the minus sign in the result, minus 6 upon 4. This is my answer, student. If you want to write in simplest form this rational number, then you can write, because both numbers are going in the table of 2. So we can divide 6 and 4 by 2. So we get the at last 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. This is my answer, student. In this way, student, we solve this question. And sixth part is, student, we have minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. It's very easy, student. We not need to add any numbers in minus 2 upon 3. हमें minus 2 upon 3 में कुछ ऐड ही नहीं करना. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. कुछ भी नहीं. We not need to add any numbers in minus 2 upon 3. So my answer is minus 2 upon 3 is my answer. Is my answer. Directly you can write the answer. So come to the last part, student, that is the seventh part. Minus, we have minus 2 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 whole 3 upon 5. So student, we here in this question we need to add two rational numbers, but both numbers are given in the form of mixed fraction. So firstly we make the improper fraction. How, student? Multiply denominator to the whole number and add the numerator in the product. So 3 2 ja 6, minus 6, look here, student, minus 6, this is minus, this is plus, and when we multiply minus and plus we get the minus. 3 2 ja 6, minus 6, and in minus 6 we need to add 1. So student, you are seeing here that minus 6 is negative and 1 is positive, so we can't add, only we subtract, and we use the sign in result of the greater number. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Sign of 6 is minus, so we use the sign before the 5, minus sign. So this is minus 5 upon 3. This is minus 5 upon 3 plus 5 4 ja 20, both are positive. There is no problem in multiplication. 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 3, that is 23 upon 5. 23 upon 5. Now here you are seeing that mixed fraction has converted in improper fraction. Now student, we need to add it. So there are two rational numbers. And both rational numbers denominators are not same. So how can we add? I have told you in the fraction chapter. If two fractions are given and denominators are not same, then for making the denominator same, we multiply the denominator of the second fraction, we multiply in whole fraction of the first number, and denominator of the second fraction we multiply in the second fraction, whole second fraction. So student, for making the denominator same, we multiply 5 in minus 5 upon 3. So 5 5 ja 25 and 5 3 ja 15, student, plus by 3 we multiply in 23 upon 5. So 3 into 23, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 69, and 3 5 ja 15. Now student, you are saying here that my denominators are same here, so we add only numerator and write one denominator. Very easy, student. Minus 25 plus 69, and we write one denominator like this. And you are seeing here that 25 is a negative numbers and 69 is a positive, so we can't add, only we subtract. So 69 minus 25, we get, a student, 9 minus 5, 4, and 6 minus 2, 4, and sign is we use the sign of 44 positive because 69 is greater than 25. So, student, upon 14, upon 15. So, student, this is my answer. In this way, student, remaining parts you will solve like this. So, come to the next question, student. Question number second has also many parts, but here we take some parts, and according to that part you will solve the remaining parts of the question number second, student. So firstly I am writing the question. Second is saying, student, question number second, only find in question given, find. So I am taking the first part, student, of this question. 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36, and I am taking, student, last part, that is fifth part, is very most important, minus 2 whole 1 upon 9 minus 6. This is my question, student. So how can we solve it? Student, I am going to solve this question. Part first, we have 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. So, student, you are seeing here that denominators are not same. We need to subtract 17 upon 36 from 7 upon 24. So, denominators are not same. So, firstly we make the denominator same. How it is possible, student? By cross multiplication. So, 36 into 7, we get 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Carries 4. 7 3 are 21 and 4 25. 252. Upon 36 into 24, we are multiplying here. 36 into 24, 4 6 are 24. 2 is carry. 4 3 are 12 to 14. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6 and 1 7. 4 to 6, 7 1 8. 864 minus 24 into 36, 864, and multiply 24 into 17. Look here, student, 24 into 17, 7 4 ja 28, 2 is carry, 7 2 ja 14 and 2 16, 1 4 ja 4, 1 2 ja 2, 8, 6 4 10, 2 1 3 and 1 4, 408. 252 upon 864 minus 408 upon 864. You are seeing, student, that denominators are same. So we subtract numerator to numerator and write one denominator 864 and 254 minus 408. We get, student, 408 minus 252. Subtract here. 408 minus 254. 8 minus 4, 4. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 154. We get the 154 upon 864. Now, student, both number are going in the table of 2. So, we can cancel by 2 of these two numbers. 2 7s are 14. 115, 2 7s are 14, and 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. So, student, by which number both are cancelled? not 2, not 3. 11 sevens are 77, but 11 cancel. 4 and 32 by 11. 11 3s are 33. No, not cancel. So my answer is 77 upon 432. This is my answer, student. Now we have subtracted this rational number, and student, sign. What will be the sign? I am leaving here sign. Use the sign. 408 is greater than 254, so we use the sign of negative here, and this will be negative also. Minus 77 upon 432. This is my answer. And here, student, you are seeing that this is a mixed fraction. So firstly we make it in improper. So 9 to the 18, minus 18, and we need to add plus 1. 1 is negative, other is positive. So we subtract, that is 17, and we use the sign of 17 minus. So we get the rational number minus 17 upon 9, minus 6 upon 1. You can write in the form of P upon Q. You can make the rational number 6. So student, denominators are not same here also. So we need to cross multiplication. 1 17 ja 17 and 1 9 ja 9 minus 9 6 ja 54 and 9 1 ja 9. So student, denominators are same. So we write one denominator and we subtract denominator to denominator. Minus 17 minus 54. And student, you are seeing that both numbers are negative. So we can't subtract, we add only. So 7 4 11, 7 4 11, 5 1 6 1, 7 upon 9 means 71 upon 9, and sign will be negative. This is my answer. So student, in this way you will solve the remaining two parts, means part number second, third and fourth. Second, third and fourth. Second, third and fourth is that homework for you. You will do these parts in your fair copy according to these two parts. So student, come to the next question, that is the question number 3. In question number 3, we need to multiply, student, of two rational number. So absolutely you will multiply of the rational number according to the fraction, and in multiplication of the fraction you have learned that we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, then we get the product. So student, firstly I am writing the question, find the product. Find the product. Find the product. I am taking only two parts, first and last, student. Here first is 9 upon 2 into in bracket minus 7 upon 4, and I am taking the last part of this question, student, 6th part, 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. So student, remaining parts you will do yourself of this question. So I am going to solve this question, student. First part, we have 9 upon 2 into in bracket minus 7 upon 4. So student, I have told you this is very easy. I have told you in multiplication of two rational number or two fraction, we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. and then at last we get the product. So 9 into minus 7 upon 2 into 4, like this, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, we get the 9 7 are 63 minus 63, because it is negative and it is positive, and when we multiply one negative and other positive, we get the negative numbers. So 63 upon 8 minus 63 upon 8. So this is my answer, student. This is my answer. Now come to the last part, student. Sixth part is we have 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. So student, 3 into minus 5 upon minus 5 into 3, like this, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, we multiply. So 3 5 is 15, minus 15 upon this minus 15, and minus minus cancel, 15 1 is 15, that is my answer is 1. My answer is 1. So in this way, student, you will solve the part second, third, fourth and fifth also in your fair copy. So come to the last question of this exercise, student. Question number 4. Question number 4 belongs to the division question. So this is also very easy. Firstly, I am writing the question, student, on the board. So question number 4 is, question number 4, find the value of, question is saying find the value of, I am taking the first part, student. First part here, minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3, and I am taking one more part, student, that is the part 6. Part 6 I am taking minus 7 upon 12, minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. So student, I am going to solve this question. Minus 4, we have minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. So this minus 4 you can write in the form of P upon Q, in the form of rational number is minus 4 upon 1, by writing the 1 as denominator. We can write any integers, any numbers, any whole numbers in the form of P upon Q are rational numbers. So divided by 2 upon 3. Remind, in fraction chapter, when we need to divide two fractions, we write the first fraction as same and we change the division sign in multiplication sign, and we write the fraction, reciprocal fraction of the second fraction which is given after the division sign. It means we have to write 3 upon 2 like this, reciprocal, उल्टा आपको राइट करना है. डिवीजन साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन बनाना है और डिवीजन के बाद के फ्रैक्शन को आपको रेशनल नंबर को रेसिप्रोकल राइट करना है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, दिस डिवीजन क्वेश्चन हैज चेंज इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द रेशनल नंबर and you have solved in question number 3rd. How can we multiply of the two rational number, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, like this. So student, minus 4 into 3 upon 1 into 2, we get the minus 12 upon 2 under 2, and 12 can cancel by 2, 2 6 is 12, minus 6. This is my answer, student, minus 6. So I hope, student, you have understood this question very well. Like this, you will solve the question number 6 also, student. Minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. So student, write the first fraction, first rational number as same, and change the division sign in multiplication sign. and that rational number which is given after the division sign, write in the form of reciprocal, means 13 upon minus 2, like this. Now this is the multiplication of the two rational number, so multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Minus 7 into 13 upon 12 into minus 2. So we get, student, 13 7 ja 91, 91 minus 91 upon 12 2 ja 24, minus 24. Numerator has the negative sign and denominator also has the negative sign, so we cancel negative to negative and we get the 91 upon 24. So this is my answer, student. This is my answer. 91 upon 24 is my answer. I hope, student, you have understood question number 4 very well. So student, this chapter and this exercise has finished. So this exercise was very easy, student. According to fraction rule you will apply in the exercise 9.2 for the rational number. जैसे आप फ्रैक्शन को ऐड करते थे, मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते थे, डिवाइड करते थे, उसी तरीके से आपको रेशनल नंबर को भी ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिवाइड करना है. बट फ्रैक्शन चैप्टर एंड इंटीजर चैप्टर you have to know very well. So student, in my next video I will start your new chapter. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.